Hello friends, today we will discuss about what are the warning signs of heart attack, what are early signs and symptoms of heart attack. Today we will also discuss about what is first aid in heart attack and how the patients of heart attack treated in the hospital. Around 1/3 of the patient die before reaching the hospital in heart attack. Therefore, it is very important to treat early the patients of heart attack and to diagnose heart attack. The early treatment can save millions of lives. So initially we will discuss about what is heart attack. If the blood flow to his heart is blocked, these blockages in the coronary arteries leads to heart attack. Normally there is a buildup of fat and cholesterol is seen in the coronary arteries of your heart, and because of some reason if plaque rupture occurs, there is a clot formation in this plaque. Because of the clot formation, 100% blood flow supplying to the particular area of the heart is stopped, and because of that heart attack develops. This interruption in the blood flow leads to the heart muscle necrosis, and heart muscle don't get blood and oxygen. This is called as heart attack. In medical terms, it is also called as myocardial infarction. Now, what are the early signs and symptoms of heart attack? The most common symptom of heart attack is chest pain. This chest pain is very severe in the center of the chest, and the main point about this chest pain is that it doesn't subside in minutes like angina. So what is angina we will discuss at the end of video. Severity of this pain increases over a period of time, and some patients feel pressure over your chest, like they feel tightness, squeezing in the chest. And the location about this pain is present at the center of your chest. It radiates to your left shoulder and left hand. Sometimes it radiates to the neck, jaw. It also radiates to the back and your abdomen. Also, this chest pain increases over a period of time. So it is not relieved by taking rest or after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes. It increases in severity. So over 40 to 50 minutes, its severity increases, and if you experience such kind of pain with shortness of the breath, cold sweating, fatigue, so you should suspect the EMI. The other signs and symptoms seen like shortness of the breath, cold sweat, fatigue, heartburn, indigestion. Some patients may also complain of nausea and abdominal pain. Some patients complain lightheadedness and dizziness. These symptoms of the heart attack may vary with the people, and particularly in the diabetic patients, the symptoms of heart attack are very mild. So diabetic patient may feel some malaise, discomfort, but like chest pain is less in severity in the diabetic patient. So diabetic patient may suffer from silent heart attack also. So this patient should be very careful about these mild symptoms like pressure over the chest, malaise, discomfort. Now, what is first aid given in the patient of heart attack? So if you are suspecting the heart attack, give tablet aspirin, and you can keep tablet nitroglycerin tablet as sorbitrate below your tongue. So this will help you until you reach the hospital. It is always better to reach hospital as early as possible so that treatment can be started within a short span of time and precious life can be saved. Time is the key in the treatment of heart attack patient. If patient collapses because of the heart attack, he is not able to breathe. If he is in a cardiac arrest, that is heart is not pumping, then you can also start CPR at home. You can give chest. I will post a detailed video about the CPR on the channel soon. Now when you reach at the hospital, the test commonly done is ECG. So ECG of the patient is done, that is electrocardiogram. It records the electric activity of your heart, and there are the different waves in the ECG like P, Q, R, S, T. So there is a abnormality in these waves. ST elevation in the seen in the patient of myocardial infarction suffering for heart attack. So after diagnosing your heart attack, treatment is started as early as possible. The other test done is a blood test. Cardiac biomarkers like troponin is the most sensitive and specific test for the heart attack patient, and this is done at hospital. ECG and troponin tests. These tests are commonly done when heart attack is suspected. Now the pulse pressure and blood pressure is also monitored. Your pulse rate increases, there is a tachycardia. Normally the pulse rate is around 60 to 100, but in patients of heart attack it may reach above 100. Now this pulse rate may be irregular because of the arrhythmias of the heart. Now the blood pressure, initially high blood pressure is seen, but if there is a massive heart attack, patient may land in the cardiogenic shock and blood pressure may drop significantly. So hypotension may occur, cardiogenic shock may occur. This is very serious condition and patient needs urgent medical attention and treatment. In some patient, respiratory rate also increases. Now what is treatment given for the patient of heart attack? If the patient of the heart attack reach hospital within 90 minutes, angiography and primary angioplasty is done. It can be done up to 6 hours. But if patient reaches after 2 hours, then fibrinolysis or thrombolysis is done. This is done with the streptokinase and RTPA recombinant tissue plasminogen activator injections. So treatment is decided according to the condition of the patient. Blood thinners, thrombolysis, angiography and angioplasty is done according to need of patient. In some patients, if they are in a cardiogenic shock, if patient develops cardiac arrest because of the heart attack, then defibrillation is done. There is a defibrillator machine available in the hospital which helps to regain the electrical activity of the heart. If patient is having arrhythmias, sometimes also defibrillator is used to regularize the rhythm of the heart. Now because of the coronary thrombolysis and mechanical revascularization because of angioplasty, there are the 3 benefits. First benefit is that it limits the extent of the myocardial infarction. Second benefit is that it salvages the ischemic myocardium. And third benefit that it recanalizes the infarct lateral arteries. In short, because of the early treatment, the damage of heart is kept very minimum and the complications which will occur in the future are minimized if you treat early the patients of heart attack. The drugs which are used in the patient of heart attack are beta blockers, AC inhibitors, angiotensin II receptor blockers and statins. These medicines are also used in patients of heart attack. Now we have seen in short what is heart attack, what are the early signs and symptoms of the heart attack, what treatment is given to the patient of heart attack, what is first aid of the heart attack. Now we will see what are the warning signs of the heart attack. Okay, and these warning signs are present few days, weeks to months before the actual heart attack. And the most common warning sign is angina, that is a pain in the chest. And this recurrent chest pain occurs while doing activities like walking, cycling, brisk walking, and the main point about this pain is that it gets relieved after taking rest for 5 to 10 minutes. What happens during walking? The cardiac demand, that is oxygen demand and blood demand, increases of your heart, and if there are the blockages in the arteries supplying your heart after these activities, this artery is not able to supply that adequate oxygen and blood. Because of that, pain develops, and if you take rest, this oxygen demand decreases and pain get relieved by the rest. If this typical angina pain is present, it is always better get checked by the doctor, get your ECG done. If treadmill test is done, it will also help to diagnosis of blockages in the coronary arteries. Now the other warning sign is shortness of the breath. If you also having the other symptoms like shortness of the breath while walking upstairs, while doing brisk walking or cycling, in that case also you should suspect that heart attack may occur in the future. There may be some blockages in the coronary arteries supplying to your heart. Now some non-specific symptoms are present in some patients like indigestion, heartburn. Okay, some patients also complain of nausea, vomiting, ghabrahat, fatigue. Some patients feel chest discomfort, malaise. If these non-specific warning signs are present, and especially if you are diabetic, it is better to get evaluated. So you should never neglect the warning signs of heart attack. If you have any warning signs of heart attack, get checked by your doctor on time. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much.